What is up, YouTube family? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Vanessa. We have been growing a lot lately and doing really well, and I really want to thank you guys for that because I wouldn't keep doing this if it wasn't for you guys. But I feel like I say that, like, I've been saying that a lot recently, but I'm just so grateful and thankful that you guys pay attention to me. Which is crazy because I'm like the shyest person ever. Like, I hate being the center of attention, but here I am on YouTube feeling lucky and blessed that people are watching me. So yeah, what you guys came here for, the Desi x Katy collab. So I have 3 things from the second round of the Desi x Katy collab. I have the Friendcation palette and I have 2 of the Velvet liquid lipsticks. I have my main and a Mauve Story. So let's start off with the palette. This is what the packaging looks like. It's like a rose gold kind of packaging. It says Friendcation, Desi, and Desi x Katy right under it, and down here it says Dose of Colors. So this is what the palette looks like. This is stunning. It's so shimmery, like it's not even funny. I have the quad from the first launch. I'll show it to you guys. So here's the comparison for the packaging of these two. This one's more of like just gold, like a champagne gold, and this is rose gold. If I'm being honest, I actually like the new one better because it's a lot more shimmery. Like, even without the light hitting it, it's just sparkly as hell. Like, I love that. I mean, this one's nice too, but I like this one better. So in this palette, you have 10 shades, you have 10 mattes. You have 5 mattes and 5 shimmers. This palette does retail for $55. I do think it's a little bit overpriced for just 10 shades. But I don't care. I love Desi and Katy. They're literally my faves. I only have one complaint about this palette, and it's not a problem that most of you guys are gonna have. Probably a select few, if any. This shade right here, Just a Kiss, it actually came broken, and I had to like push it in there for the shade to not fall out. That's my only complaint. Other than that, these shades are super pigmented. They blend so nicely into each other. They're so buttery, and they have an amazing formula. These shimmers, I have tried them with my finger, with a brush, with a dry brush, and with a wet brush. Personally, I did not like it at all with a wet brush. I feel like it makes the colors look weird. I don't know, I just feel like you get the best pigment with a dry brush, like a flat brush, concealer brush. How many times did I say brush in the like less than a minute? So yeah, with like a flat brush or your finger, I feel like those are the best applications for the shimmer shades. The formula for the shimmer shades is pretty similar to the formula for the shimmer shades in the I Love Study and Dose of Colors collab palette. I will show you guys swatches of all the shades, but let me just go over them and their names. This one, this is a Moment. This is a blue with a purple shift. It's not showing up on camera, but literally, oh, you could see it a little bit there. It looks purple from some angles, and from other angles it looks blue. It's so beautiful. Then we have Dirty Money, which is gold with a green shift. Is actually the color I'm wearing on my lids today. This color looks stunning, especially if you have brown eyes. I feel like my eyes just look so pretty. It's stunning. This is Necessary. Surprisingly, this is actually my favorite color in the palette. Like, I'm not one to like nudes and, you know, just boring lid shades, but this is beautiful. This is a beautiful transition shade, and it's beautiful if you're doing an everyday look and you just want to have one shadow on your eye. That's the shadow. It's a necessary shadow, literally. Then right next to it we have Churro. This is beautiful. This one's actually really good too for an everyday eye look. And then we have Basic. Basic is the only color I have not used because it's just like a white beige kind of color. I don't know, I just haven't used it. This one's like a black with like a gray base, and it has like blue and green reflex in it, and that is called a Game Over. Did I call this one Churro? This is not Churro, this is Chains. Sorry, this is Churro. This is the one that looks great all over as an everyday shade. Chains is better to deepen up your eye looks. Then we have this shade called Girl Bye. Just a Kiss, which works amazing as a topper, and Try Me, which actually looks like Girl Bye with like shimmers in a different formula, if that makes sense. Anyways, I'm rambling. I'm gonna show you swatches of the shadows, and I'll talk about the lippies. So for the lippies, I don't know what happened to my packaging for A Mauve Story. This is my main, and the packaging just says Desi x Katy. It's rose gold. It's pretty much the same thing as the palette. So these are a new formula, a velvet matte, a liquid velvet, and I'm wearing my main right now. They are really comfortable on the lips. They definitely look velvet. They don't look matte. Your lips don't look dry or anything. And I do think they're long lasting, except for if you're like gonna eat a lot of greasy stuff. I wore A Mauve Story yesterday. No, not yesterday. The day before yesterday, whatever. And I was eating really bad the entire day. So my lipstick was off. But I've used both of these on different days where like I didn't eat foods that were as greasy, and they lasted a pretty long time. They're really comfortable, and they're beautiful. I'm gonna be, oh my gosh, I feel like my main is my perfect nude. I don't know what I'm gonna do if I run out, because it's the one that I've been using almost every day. Like, they better come through with a round 3 and then bring my main back like next year. So these retail for, I believe, $16 or $18. I don't remember. I will put it on the screen, and I will show you guys swatches of these. My main is more of like it looks peachy once you apply it, but once you put it on, it's like, I don't know, it's like a mixture of like a peachy and pink kind of undertone. I'm not sure. With like browns in there. Oh, I almost choked my own spit. Damn, girl. With like browns in there. I love my main. And then A Mauve Story is just a mauve nude. So yeah, I will show you guys swatches of those right now. Alright, I feel like I've been talking for 5 years, so I'm just gonna shut up and we're gonna get straight to the tutorial so you guys can see how I got this look. Wow. I am not looking cute today. Sorry. So I'm gonna start with Necessary as my transition shade. I used this sample today of like this dewy primer from Charlotte Tilbury. I don't even know what it's called. And I feel like it's making my face look so busted. Like, all my imperfections are like emphasized because of this dewy ass primer. So I'm gonna go over that with Churro. Now we're gonna deepen everything a little more with Cheens.
Cheens. Cheens. Cheens. Cheens.
Now for the star of the show, I'm gonna go with Dirty Money all over my lid, and I'm gonna be using my finger for this application. This is so beautiful. Now I'm gonna do a whole bunch of stuff off camera. I'm gonna do some wing liner. I feel like people don't even do wing liner anymore. I'm gonna apply my lashes. I'm gonna be using the Batty Lashes by Batty B Lashes, and I'm gonna do my face and my concealer, my foundation and concealer. All right, I'll be right back, you guys. You guys, I had to come back really quick to show you my foundation, and I just gotta say, wow, like the Charlotte Tilbury primer looked so gross on me on like my bare face, but with my foundation over it, like it looks amazing. Like my skin looks so smooth in person. Again, oh my gosh, sorry for my ratchet nails. Also, if anybody's wondering, I'm using the NARS Natural Radiant Longwear Foundation. Okay, I feel like I make this disclaimer every single video. I know I'm looking ghostly, don't worry, we will fix it. So I'm gonna finish up my under eyes, and I'm gonna use my Anastasia Beverly Hills Jet Gel Liner on my waterline. Now I'm gonna go under my lower lash line with Churro. Now with this eyeliner brush, I'm gonna very lightly press cheens under that eyeliner that we placed, but I'm gonna focus it mainly on the outer corners. I feel like what I'm saying is did not make any sense, but you guys are gonna see what I'm gonna do. So, just lightly pressing cheens right here under that liner. Can you guys see the difference? This is the eye with cheens in the outer corner, and this is the eye without it. Now, to make sure that everything is nice and blended, I'm gonna go to Necessary right here, and I'm gonna blend everything out. Now for the final touch, I'm gonna go back into Dirty Money, and I'm gonna use that in the front portion of my lower lash line. I'm sure you guys have heard me complain before about me having no lashes, top or bottom. And I honestly, like, I've been using this It Cosmetics Superhero Mascara. This is like a sample, I guess. I got this as a birthday gift from Ulta, and I've been using it on my lower lash lines, and I'm shook because I actually look like I have lashes. Like, it's literally a superhero. I'm gonna show you guys. I'm literally shook. Look at my lashes here, and then here where the lashes at. Where they at? Now for my inner corner highlight, I'm actually going to go into the old Desi x Katy quad, and I'm going to use this gold shade called Zeus. I'm going to bronze my face with the NYX and with my NYX and my ABH bronzer. You guys already know the deal. It's always the same thing. Can we pause and take a look at this eyeshadow? Like, I'm just like, okay. So I'm gonna go into my ABH Peachy Love Blush Trio, and I'm gonna use Nectar. Now I'm gonna go in with some Fix Plus. For highlighter, I'm gonna go into the Amrezy highlighter. I haven't used this in a hot minute. So I line my lips with the Kylie Cosmetics Brown Sugar lip liner, and I'm gonna go in with my main. So I'm just blending it with my fingers. I might have overlined my top lip a little too much, but it's okay, we're just gonna have to work with it. So this is the finished look. I really hope you guys enjoyed this review and this makeup tutorial. Let me know what you thought of it down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Don't forget to follow me on Instagram. And I will see you guys next time.